Is affiliate Ogodo Friday Morrison, and today I want to show you how you can make money online just with your smartphone and internet connection. I was able to generate this figure that I'm about to show you now. I was able to generate this figure with my smartphone. This figure just by having about 321 sales in my affiliate marketing business. And today I have made a short video showing you the step-by-step process that you need to follow to make such amount for yourself this year 2023. So please click the link right below this video and get started, get access to the free YouTube training detailing how you can make money for yourself this year 2023 right from the comfort of your home using just your mobile phone and internet connection. So click the link and get access to the free video training, and you will also get access to my mentorship as soon as you sign up for the program. So see you in class.